Mike is going to drive it into the bay. They are all ready for us. Okay, so I'm going to use the Weigh My Truck app, get a cat scale, and find out how much we weigh. Yeah, so.
Now, was the other ones not that bad? The outside one?
It's early morning. We're taking a pit stop at Buc-ee's and then we're going to go to the ranch and go get the RV. We get up early today because we're going to get 2 new tires for the RV. Our RV, we realized the inside back tires are bald on the outsides because we were running them unwittingly with not enough air in the tires because we had the valve extenders on. And valve extenders kept going off. So we think they were leaking slowly. And our tire monitors just stopped reading, and we would replace the batteries and it would work for a little while and then stop working. And when we were on that long trip, we never got to the point where we had to actually crawl underneath the thing to see what was going on. And we got to Seagram State Park and we realized the outside tires were overheating. And I didn't like that. It was like 250 degrees on the outside tires. I'm like, we have to stop. Something's going on. And that's when we discovered the inside tires were flat. So now we have to get 2 new tires. We had breakfast sandwiches at Buc-ee's and now we're arriving at the ranch, our home base. Okay, taking all the stuff from Buc-ee's. I have half a sandwich, my egg sandwich. We got stuff for lunch, so we have to stop and put it all in the refrigerator. We don't have too much to clean up here because we just took it for propane about a month ago, so, and we haven't been back here since, so everything looks pretty good. Okay, just put the magnet shade away and the tire covers. Okay, auto store. Enzo's crying. Yeah, we were going to check your CBD, see if we have any left. We bought that at Galveston. It seems to really work. Of course, he doesn't have any today because we left it up here. Okay, yeah, we just have some left. These soft and tender doggy chews with chicken and CBD. They work for him. Okay, we're off. Another cloudy day, but at least it's not pouring rain like it was the other day. And we're off the dirt road and onto paved roads.
You feel that thing? You drive it for as long as I have with that car in the back.
Yeah.
They drive it without the car. It's really hugely different.
Oh wow. Okay, we are here. Sci-Fair Tires in Brennan. They put our tires on 3 years ago. And now we're back. Replace the back 2 inner tires. Mike is going to drive it into the bay. They are all ready for us. There it goes.
Calm down. Calm down. Can't come no more.
Don't worry, okay. Fortunately, they got us the wrong size. And now we have to come back in a few hours to get the right size. You can't make this shit up. And here he comes. So, we will go get gas. Come over here. What you looking for?
271. A little cheaper than we thought.
Oh yeah, it said 273 on the app.
It's 271.
Oh well, hey, I don't
Let's
mind.
take whatever it gives us that's
Yeah.
good for today.
Yeah.
To get us wherever we gotta go.
Right, and the cat scale's over there, so you have to drive around back and then get over there. There's somebody using it right now.
That's still app fixed stuff. You have to make
Yeah, I logged in. It said I was logged in.
Card all set up.
I'm assuming it took whatever. Let's see, I have it under RV apps. Weigh my truck. Looks like I'm already in. Okay, so I'm going to use the Weigh My Truck app.
So
Get in cat scale and find out how much we weigh. Since we haven't done it since we bought the RV, which was like 3 years ago. Okay, those are the cat scale. We got to go round back and get on those babies.
See how much your cat skills have gone up in price.
Okay, there's the cat scale.
That gives you the number up here. Just type the number you're at.
Where the number is. Oh, I see.
It's up here.
It's over there. Location code from the intercom sign for the search bar.
2761.
2761. Okay. Done. It's thinking about it. Okay, here we go. All the fields are completed. Alright, I'm just going next. Weigh fee is $13.50.
That's about the same as last time.
Okay. Yes, allow me. Allow. Oh, God, help me. Oh, here. It's because it's a new phone. It wants permission, so you have to go to settings.
Missing alarm permission. Somebody needs alarm permission to communicate with the scales. I don't see alarm permission. Oh, here it is. Alarm permissions. Okay. A plus. Okay. Steer axle 7,800 pig height. Drive axles 14. Okay. Our gross vehicle is 23. That's way under our total gross. Our total gross is 33,000.
Okay.
And the frame weight's 24. Either way, we're under. I mean, we're not over.
Yeah.
So we just need to. I need to go in the back. There's a sticker in the closet.
Right.
that
Oh,
tells
okay.
Exactly
See, and we did get the PDF. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to go to Buc-ee's and sit in the parking lot?
I guess we can do that.
We could do. Don't even have to get on two. I don't think we have to get on 290. We just take the service road. Or yeah, going westbound.
So you're gonna make a left.
Yeah. Go left out of here and then a right.
Yeah. Yes, because we have to go back up.
Yeah.
I know what you're saying. Yeah.
Yeah, you got cars all over the place here. Oh, that's the
Yeah,
PDF.
just
Oh,
have to
that's
show
good.
me all the truck stops as we come up to it.
All right. Well, that's good.
And rest areas.
Okay. Cool. Hey, there's Buc-ee's. We just parked in the back so we could just hang out. I had the rest of my sandwich, which was really good. We went back into Buc-ee's and we got brownies and cookies. Finally, arriving back at the tire place. There we go. It's 1:45. We got gas. We got weed. The motorhome looks a little naked without his tires. And then we found two of our wheel studs were damaged in the accident 2 years ago.
Take the outer tires off to get the inner
Yeah,
tires. That's why it costs a little extra money.
Yeah. The plan is to replace the two front steer tires with new tires. Put the existing front tires on the inside rear tires, which are the bald ones. Yeah, so.
Now, was the other ones not that bad? The outside one?
Okay. It's all done. Mike's gonna drive it out. And here he comes. Feels like deja vu. Now we have to go to a place called Teamworks to replace the wheel studs.
In 1/2 mile, turn left on US 290 West.
Fortunately, this place was only like 5 miles away. We showed up at Teamworks and they came out and looked at it right away. They seemed to be really knowledgeable. Who knew this was going to be a whole day's project? Well, they got the tire off. Now he's got a sledgehammer. He's going to knock the wheel studs out the back. Of course, they didn't have the right size. They had to order them. and they wouldn't be in till the next morning, so we wound up taking an Uber back to our truck and then driving home from there. Tons of traffic. Then picked up our RV the next day after work. Almost back to the ranch. I'm following Mike in the truck. Finally. I was checking out our tire monitor after we got back. We have 83 in the driver's front. There's 74 in the outside rear passenger. Inside passenger rear, we have 78. Oh, we're not reading that one yet. There's 73 in the driver's outside back. Needless to say, this experience was exhausting. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe. Keep following our adventures. Have a good one.